Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about streaming online. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, just to stretch it to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for streaming right now, plus a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research document totally free and read it at your own pace. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. Top 3 VPN services for streaming and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for streaming. Why? It works with all the major streaming platforms. Super important, right? Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. No buffering, low ping, zero connectivity issues, no packet loss, and great download-upload speeds. Features, it's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty cheap for the features you get. Negatives, the 10-device limit. Second best VPN for streaming is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast, no buffering, consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth streaming all the way. Features, all the essentials and then some. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling. That's great if you want only your streaming apps going through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, often cheaper than others, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? Top-notch tech. AES 256. Negatives? It's US-based, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy nerds nervous. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for pure streaming performance and bang for your buck. Third best VPN for streaming is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you'll always find a fast, uncrowded one near you to keep your streams smooth. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and hands down the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech out there, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based. Plus, the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget but still want tons of servers and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for streaming. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on colors or logos, you'll be just fine. They literally just work perfectly for streaming. Quick recap to wrap up. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for streaming, that premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it streaming VPN that gives you incredible bang for your buck. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a huge server network and a ton of advanced features. My job here is done. I've given you the answers so you don't waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.